Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about convolution. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one, we have the integration from 0 to t, and we have f of u multiplied by g of t minus u du. So we know that f of u, that is about this one. Now we have for side t, we put u on here. So we have for side u. And we multiply by number 4 sine of, we put t minus u on here, and we have 4 sine of t minus u du. Now we have the second formula in here. That should be about sine A multiplied by sine B. That should be about, here is about the formula we need to concentrate in here. So I will apply with sine u and sine of t minus u in here. So number 4 and number 4 we have 16. And we have the integration from 0 to t. This one we have 1 over 2 multiplied by cosine of a minus b. That means we have u minus t minus u, and we have 2u minus t. And this one we have u plus t minus u, so we have cosine t. So number 16 divided by 2, so we have number 8. And we have the integration from 0 to t. So this one, the integration of cosine 2u minus t, we will have about 1 over 2 sine of 2u minus t. Sorry about that. So this one we have 1 over 2 multiplied by sine of 2u minus t. The integration of cosine t, we will have about u cosine t, because cosine t right now that is about the constant, and we put the bound from 0 to t. So I will put t on here, number 0 on here, and we have like this. So we have sine of negative t. We put number 0 in here, so you got 0. Now we need to simplify it. So 2t minus t, we have sine t. This one we have negative t cosine t. This one, negative number a multiplied by 1 over 2, we have negative number 4. So negative, I will put outside in here. And this one we have positive number 4 sine t. So number 8 multiplied by 1 over 2 and this one in here. And now we have 4 sine t minus number 8 t cosine t. So 4 plus 4 we have number 8. So we have 8 sine t minus 8t cosine t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.